longer than I could've ever, you know that hurt. Swear for a while I would stare at my phone just to see your name, but now that it's there, I don't really know what to say.